let us find the output voltage. Average output voltage. Let us always go ahead with the basics. So V naught average is equal to 1 by T integral 0 to T f of t dt. So it is very simple to do this one. So first of all, you should know what is T. Okay, let me have T is equal to 2 pi only, complete cycle I am taking here. So 1 by 2 pi integral 0 to t f of t, let me have Vm sin omega t d omega t. So which is equal to 1 by 2 pi. Let me take Vm outside because that is a constant. So integration of sine will be minus cos omega t from 0 to capital T. So which is equal to Vm by 2 pi. Yeah, 2 here T is 2 pi. So let me write 2 pi only. So this is also 2 pi. So if you see 0 to 2 pi, we have two things. Okay, here only I can separate them. So let me separate. So before coming to this step, let me separate this one. So 1 by 2 pi integral 0 to pi, let me take Vm out, sin omega t d omega t plus integral pi to 2 pi sin omega t d omega t. So in this case we have already seen pi to 2 pi. So this is pi and this is 2 pi. So pi to 2 pi, this value is 0. So I can take this value as 0 and this part only remaining. So let me remove this one now. So it is from 0 to pi only. And let me take minus outside. So it will be upper limit cos pi minus lower limit cos 0. Okay, so which is equal to minus Vm by 2 pi. So cos pi is minus 1 and cos 0 is 1. So minus 1, which is equal to minus 2 and into minus. So it will be 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So the value will be Vm by pi. Okay, so this is the value Vm by pi. V naught average is equal to Vm by pi. And now let us see the average RMS voltage, sorry, RMS output voltage. We will see how to find that one. So RMS output voltage. So same thing, V naught RMS you can say, which is equal to square root of, this is the general formula, 1 by T integral 0 to T f square of T dt. Please listen to me carefully here. So these things are very important. For each and every converter we have to do this. So which is equal to, let me use this one, square root of 1 by T means 1 by 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi Vm square sin square omega t d omega t. Okay, so this is the concept. If I take all things outside, Vm square I will take outside the integral and I want to take outside the square root also. So this will come as Vm square root of 2 pi, Vm square root of 2 pi, and only within the square, as we have already discussed, from 0 to pi to 2 pi nothing is there. So I am taking only 0 to pi. So integral 0 to pi sin square omega t d omega t. So let me take sin square omega t as 1 minus cos 2 omega t. So it is 1 minus cos 2 omega t by 2 d omega t. Okay, so which is equal to Vm by 2 pi, Vm by root 2 pi. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2 means it is a constant, so integration of a constant is that variable, that is omega t. So let me take 2 also outside, so I will take 2 outside. This is, if I take 2 outside, it is under root and it is coming out, then let me take 2, root 2 will be here. Okay, so integration will be there and it is omega t only, integration of 1 will be omega t. So if I substitute values also, pi minus 0 minus integration of cos 2 omega t is sin 2 omega t divided by 2 with limits 0 to pi. Okay, if that is the case, let me write here also like this, because we have to follow mathematics clearly, otherwise it will be wrong only. Yes, so here also I can write omega t 0 to pi. Now I will substitute the values. So Vm by 2 root pi will come here. Okay, please check up that one, and it is pi minus 0 minus sin 2 pi by 2, sin 2 pi by 2, okay, minus sin 0 by 2. So sin 0 by 2 is 0, sin 2 pi by 0 is also 0, and finally I am remaining with pi here. Okay, I am remaining with pi here, so which is equal to Vm by, I am sorry, it is under root, right? See, it should be under root. Let me have 1 by 2 on top of this, 1 by 2. So Vm by root pi will come here and it will be 2 root pi. So root pi will get cancelled and the answer will be Vm by 2. So I can say that V naught RMS is equal to Vm by 2. So this is the answer. Okay, and V naught average is equal to Vm by pi. So these are the concepts. So in the similar fashion, we will go ahead with the all average and average outputs and RMS outputs. Once we get these two, then the current is also easy. For example, if you want to find out current here, I naught average, which is equal to V naught average by R. Similarly, RMS also same formula. Okay, V naught RMS by R. Very simple. So you can draw the current also and you can get the value of the current also. Okay, thank you so much. If you like this video, please like this, and if you want to share this video with your friends and family, please share it. And if you want to get same type of videos in future also, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Thank you so much.